Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm excited to introduce you to our expert-designed house flipping calculator. This tool is crafted by experienced real estate investors and is essential for accurately calculating potential expenses and profits in the house flipping process. Our calculator analyzes over 30 different factors that could impact your decision-making, ensuring you have all the information you need to make wise investment choices. Stay tuned as we dive into each of these factors to help you understand how to maximize your returns. The best part? This calculator is entirely free and available for everyone to use. Feel free to share it with others and discuss your findings. You can access the house flipping calculator directly from the calculator's menu or any property page you're exploring. Just click the Calculate Flipping Point button to input the selling price or estimated value along with our calculated after repair value right into the calculator. If you need to adjust those values or tweak the parameters, simply click Calculate the Value to switch to our home price calculator for further details. Don't forget to check out our other video on how to use the home price calculator to get even more insights into property valuation. Next, we'll be diving into how to effectively use key parameters on our calculator when you pull up a property address. Ensuring accuracy in these initial inputs is critical, so let's make sure we review them thoroughly to prevent any miscalculations. Firstly, we have 4 essential parameters that automatically populate when you enter an address: the purchase price, the estimated selling price, the duration of the loan for this project, and the loan's annual interest rate. It's crucial to verify each of these to ensure they accurately reflect your project's specifics. If you're funding the project entirely with your own money, you have the option to set the loan duration and interest rate to 0. Once these parameters are set, hitting the Proceed button will bring us to a detailed breakdown of potential expenses, divided into 5 main categories for easier management: loan and investment costs, maintenance and repair fees, deed and paperwork expenses, commissions and rewards, and other miscellaneous costs. By default, each category contains an approximate value, which you should review and adjust based on your specific project needs before proceeding. Let's take a closer look at each expense category and understand what to consider for your project. Make sure to adjust these numbers as needed before you hit the Calculate button for an accurate estimation of your potential investment returns. Loan and investment-related costs. In the initial section, you need to specify the proportion of the project's financing that will come from your own funds to determine the need for loans. In case you are taking out a loan, the expenses in various cells will be recalculated based on the proportion of the loan, its duration, and the interest rate you have previously inputted. If the project is fully self-funded without any loans, set the cash investment percentage to 100% and all other cells to 0. In this scenario, your investment expense will simply be the purchase price of the property. Each cell includes a brief description to help you understand what each value represents. For instance, bank's legal refers to fees paid to the attorney who handles the loan documentation. Maintenance and repair expenses. Renovation and maintenance are inevitable in any property flipping venture. The following 4 entries in this category cover these costs, including labor, materials, utilities, and taxes. It's crucial to consult with a legal contractor to ensure the accuracy of the repair cost estimates before finalizing these figures. Deed and paperwork expenses. This category covers all legal costs associated with formalizing your property's status. For example, in a house flipping project, you might require legal services during both the purchase and sale of the property. This section also includes costs such as homeowner insurance, title insurance, and transfer taxes. If these expenses do not apply to your project, you can simply enter 0 for these items. Commission and rewards. This section addresses the fees associated with both buyers and sellers' agents, as well as costs related to referrals and sellers' concessions. The commissions for real estate agents are automatically derived from the purchase price and the post-repair value you entered initially. If you are not engaging agents for your transaction, you can adjust these figures to 0%. Additional expenses. The final category encompasses costs that might arise unexpectedly during your project, such as architect fees, existing liens, and other unforeseen fees. Any expenses not already listed should be added under miscellaneous expenses to ensure they are included in your total calculations. This approach ensures you obtain a comprehensive financial overview of your project. Once you've entered all relevant expenses and are confident in the accuracy of your inputs, simply hit the Calculate button to unveil the results. You'll be able to see crucial figures like the initial cash needed to start your project, total expenses, and your projected net profit from the deal. Additionally, you'll be able to assess whether your project meets the investor's 70% rule. This guideline suggests that house flippers should ideally purchase properties at no more than 70% of the after-repair value, minus the cost of necessary repairs, to ensure a profitable flip. If you have any questions about the process or need further clarification on your results, please don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact us using the support button located at the bottom right of this page, and we'll get back to you promptly. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tips to help you succeed in your real estate investments.